Is your iPhone not ringing when someone calls you? Here's how to fix it in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. This usually happens because of silent mode, focus settings, Bluetooth devices, or incorrect sound settings. Let's fix it step by step. First, check the silent switch on the side of your iPhone. If you see orange, your phone is on silent. Flip it to turn ringer back on. Swipe down to open Control Center. Make sure Focus or Do Not Disturb is turned off. Focus mode can silence incoming calls. Go to Settings, Sounds, and Haptics. Increase the ringer and alerts volume. Also make sure Change with Buttons is turned on. If your iPhone is connected to AirPods, headphones, or a car, the ringtone may play there instead. Turn off Bluetooth and test again. Go to Settings, Phone. Tap Silence Unknown Callers. If this is on, calls from unknown numbers won't ring. Restarting your iPhone can fix temporary audio glitches. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Install any available updates to fix call-related bugs. If calls still don't ring, go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset all settings. This won't delete your data. And that's it. These steps should fix your iPhone not ringing issue. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.